have engaged bow. Time is 8:51 a.m. And we have... Oh, I love that one. That's a female. Yeah. She gets jiggy with these guys. She's quite the little floozy. She's a player, that one. This female does a lot of mating. We were actually able to sex her in one of the videos. She's got a beautiful kind of a creamy face. Yeah, right through here I'm thinking. Porpoising alongside. Dolphin is porpoising and flanking port side of vessel, following vessel, and now has moved into bow position. Flanking vessel and moving with vessel on bow, porpoising. Time is 8:53 a.m. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3 animals on bow. Just moved off. I'm diving deep, then moving off to starboard side in a westerly direction. Easterly direction. They've broken off, moving east. And now they're flanking our sides. Dolphins are now flanking vessel on starboard side and moving up from stern, following vessel, moving into a bow approach. See how these guys, they'll drop to the back and then they start to flank and play off to the sides. And we see it, yeah. And we watch them do it. They like to ride the waves a bit. Oh yeah, they'll play. And breaking off into waves. They're going to surf these waves. Hello, little guy. Hello. Hello. Dolphin has re-engaged bow and moving alongside. Yeah, I would. An additional dolphin has now come in and mounted bow. 2 animals on bow moving very socially. Time is 8:54 a.m.
Yeah, we've got to come with it.
Yeah,